Welcome to Tiny Away, where simplicity becomes luxury, nature becomes your neighbor, and every stay feels like coming home. Sometimes, the best places aren't found in the middle of a city. They're hidden when nature takes over. Just 2 hours from Melbourne and only 30 minutes from the historic city of Bendigo lies a peaceful escape unlike any other. A place where mornings begin with birdsong, evenings end beside a crackling fire, and every breath of fresh country air reminds you to slow down. Surrounded by nature, friendly farm animals, and the quiet beauty of the Australian countryside, Tiny Away offers more than just a getaway. It offers a chance to reconnect with yourself. Join me as we discover one of Victoria's hidden gems, where every moment feels like home away from home. This is Tiny Away. Every journey begins with a single road, and today ours starts in Melbourne. Leaving behind the city's busy streets and towering skyline, we head north through the beautiful landscapes of regional Victoria. As the kilometers pass by, the urban scenery slowly gives way to open countryside, rolling hills, and peaceful farmland. The pace of life begins to slow, inviting us to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. After approximately 2 hours on the road, we arrive in the historic city of Bendigo, a place rich in gold rush history, grand Victorian architecture, vibrant culture, and welcoming country charm. But our adventure doesn't end here. Just another 30-minute drive from Bendigo takes us even deeper into the Victorian countryside. The roads become quieter, the air feels fresher, and nature surrounds us from every direction. It's here that you'll find the hidden retreat waiting to be discovered. Welcome to Tiny Away. Nestled among peaceful landscapes, Tiny Away is more than just accommodation. It's an experience. A place where modern comfort meets the beauty of nature, allowing you to escape the noise of everyday life and embrace the simple pleasures that are often forgotten. As you arrive, you're greeted by wide open spaces and the calming breeze that flows through the trees. Every breath reminds you that you've truly left the hustle and bustle behind. The tiny cabin may be small in size, but it offers everything you need for a comfortable and memorable stay. Thoughtfully designed and surrounded by nature, it proves that happiness doesn't require luxury, it simply requires the right place. As evening approaches, the atmosphere transforms into something magical. Light the fire pit, gather around the warm flames, and enjoy the peaceful silence beneath a sky filled with countless stars. It's a simple experience, yet one that creates unforgettable memories. Whether you're looking for a romantic escape, a family getaway, or simply a peaceful place to recharge, Tiny Away offers a true home away from home experience. Sometimes, the best destinations aren't the ones filled with crowds or famous landmarks. They're the quiet places where time slows down, nature takes the lead, and every moment invites you to simply be present. One of the greatest joys of staying here is slowing down. Spend your morning with a warm cup of coffee as the sun rises over the countryside. Listen to the sounds of nature instead of traffic. Watch the clouds drift across the sky without feeling the need to rush anywhere. Adding even more charm to the experience are the friendly domestic animals that call this place home. Their gentle presence reminds us of the simple connection between people, animals, and nature, a connection that's often lost in our busy daily lives. From Melbourne to Bendigo, and from Bendigo to this peaceful countryside retreat, this journey reminds us that sometimes the road less traveled leads to the greatest moments of peace. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Tiny Away. I hope this little escape reminds you that sometimes the best adventures are found in the quietest places. Take time to disconnect from the digital world, reconnect with nature, and create memories that truly matter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until the next journey, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring. It's me, Funcho. See you in the next one.